This guy is Blizzard, and he is a husky mix. He's a beautiful boy. He's got one blue eye on the right, one brown eye. And he's probably about 70 pounds or so in maybe three to 4 years maybe. He knows commands already. He can sit. Well, I mean, that's what we know. He knows. He can sit. And he's doing great with his crate training. He's a silly boy. He likes to wander around. He gets along with the dogs in his group. There's just too much to look at out here. He's looking very regal, just standing there. So I guess we'll just admire his beauty. Oh, here comes his buddy. Hi, bud. Let's get a drink. He is available for adoption, so if you are interested in him, you can apply for him online at tracysdogs.com. Look how smart. Once approved for him, and if you can pick him up, we'd love to send him your way. That is Blizzard. I guess he doesn't bring it back. That's Blizzard.